To cope with the rapid growth of Industry 4.0, Sun and Lynn is building up her own smart PCB manufacturing facilities with innovative technology. Integrated with QR coding system, each piece of PCB is marked with a unique identification code. This enables a lifelong data traceability of multi-dimensional information like manual labor, machine, material, production process, and environment for each piece of PCB by on-site QR code scanning at production line and finished goods warehouse. Aiming to entire robot production, Sun and Lynn is having more industrial robots to replace manual labor for material transportation, stacking, unloading. To achieve fully automatic production, it not only optimizes the production process and increase productivity, but also significantly improves the entire quality consistency. Benefit from information technology, Sun and Lynn is now managing operation by real-time mega data reading and analysis at the Information Processing Center for instant quality performance self-evaluation for each individual process to achieve higher productivity, lower natural resource and energy consumption. The Mega Data Analysis System monitors WIP quality and triggers automatic error correction program to optimize production parameters immediately once it detects any defect. We manage quality performance from initial engineering design to every manufacturing process with the help of the Intelligent Information Analysis System. Our on-site AOI stands and advanced testing equipment have been integrated with the cutting-edge technology of AI and BI. Helps us in managing quality performance of each piece of product by all employee participation quality control system. Inspired by the practice of process innovation, we strive to integrate the information technology with industrial automation to achieve Sun and Lynn's long-term strategy and build the smart factory with the data-driven ecosystem. Our foresight, connecting the future of intelligence.